Welcome to my mom.
Tell them what to do.
I'm gonna make some cookies. Mommy, I put it in.
Oh.
Put the butter.
Show. Show. Up.
That smells good.
Here's what you're gonna do. Scoop. You're gonna go scoop like this. And then you put it here. See, that's one.
Can I do it the next
Like that small. That's too big. Too big. Okay. So just like this. Then I'm gonna put it.
Can I do it?
Don't drop it. Just on the here. You gotta make a line. Okay, that's good. That's good.
And while it's in the oven, I'm gonna be wait here.
Then you want me to put it on the oven, or you wanna put it on the oven? See that?
Oven. The oven. Mommy, I said oven.
You
I'm
want
the
me to,
yaya.
so that's how you. How many cookies do you think we're gonna make?
100.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so big. The big cookie can go together.
Yep. Mommy, what? Can we save some for Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy would love it. Because
And,
Daddy likes
and we
peanut
can save all of them for Daddy. Because he loves. Mommy, see, I did that. Mommy, so we win that. Mommy, look, I have Scott. Mommy, I have Scott.
Second video.
Mommy, I have Scott.
This is a small one. Mommy can get the small one.
I'm gonna get the big one like this one.
I think that's gonna be the biggest one. Oh, it's not really straight. See, how many are we making now? How many cookies are here? Maybe you can give cookies tomorrow to leave.
I can give these all to my classmates. But I need to count how many classmates. Owen, Lana, Pauline.
But this has peanut butter enough. They cannot have, some of your classmates cannot have peanut butter.
Luca allergic to peanut butter.
Yeah.
So I'll not be giving to him.
Yeah. Daddy can eat all of this. He loves peanut butter and chocolate.
No, I'm not be giving to some of my whoever was they have that mean I'm not allergic to it.
So how many minutes do we have to cook this in the oven?
Oven.
So the oven is at 375 degrees. Can you see it? It says 375 degrees.
I want the oven.
I know, but how many minutes do we cook it there? Do you remember?
Like the same the oven.
Do you remember how many minutes? So that is your cookies. You count how many cookies?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18.
18. So you're gonna bake it 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Can I put it in there?
Oh. Hold it here. Don't touch. Hot. Don't do it because it's hot, okay?
The do is hot. They can do it.
Okay.
Well,
That's it. We close it.
and
Yum. No, it's not hot.
and my cookie.
Let me try it. I just came from shower. I wasn't there. Try it. 3, 2, 1.
I got it.
I don't like it. No, I'm just joking.
You good?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I don't like it. I like it. See what I mean.
Just tell me what you want.